In this video, I want to talk about how you can get Shein discount codes. Now the very first one, which is basically just an account setup. If you verify your email, sometimes they will send you a discount code, which will be around 15 to 20%, and you can use this one after you've completed your profile, so put in the email, your birthday, and all this stuff. Now the second one, which is a new user bonus, you will earn this one when you just create your account. This is basically just a welcome package. Now the third one is you can actually play mini games. Now if you have the app on your phone, you just want to open up the app, and inside of there you will have a playing section. You can earn coins that you can use for discount codes in there. The fourth one is daily check-ins. Sometimes they will have a daily check-in one where you can earn this stuff. Now the sixth one is you can do referral. So if you search for Shein referral program and you sign up, it's completely free. You will get a unique code, and if you send this one to people and they sign up using your code, you will be able to earn coins, and you can use this for discounts. Now the last one, which is basically just cart abandonment. If you put something in your cart and you don't actually buy it, sometimes they will send you an email giving you a little code to get percentage off if you do this often. So those are currently the ways to do it. I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.